Welcome back on my YouTube channel, guys. I'm Aurelio and I have a new video for you. Are you ready? We start. The AMK model kits are the main subject on my YouTube channel. Unlike the previous videos, this time the topic I dealt with will be the largest and richest exhibitions of space and sci-fi modeling here in Italy. This exhibition is organized and managed by the Turin Modeling Center, CMT, and it is organized every year under a different name. I had the opportunity to visit it in 2017 when it was open to the public under the name The Space Between Science and Sci-Fi. I was amazed by the richest and the high very quality of the models on display. Here in Italy it is almost impossible to find modeling exhibitions with so many models regarding the same topic. You may be wondering the reason why I dealt with this topic. I believe that it is very important to attend model making exhibitions to be able to view the works made by others. You can understand the techniques that the other people used to make their models. Moreover, you have the opportunity to share your passion with other model makers and perhaps you will get an idea for a new subject. Now I will show you the pictures of all the models that were present. Since there are so many models on display, this topic will be treated in several videos that will be published periodically, starting with this one. Let's start now. So guys, also this time the video is finished. See you soon next time. Bye and thanks.